Welcome guys! This is another episode of Nagmamagaling sa Math. Now, this is again your Kuya Ron. What we're going to learn this time is how to use or how to compute the average or the mean of ungrouped data, specifically the formula for arithmetic mean. Now, come on, I'm inviting you, join me as we will learn all together using the arithmetic mean formula and computing the average of your data set. Well, before I'm going to show you, I would like to invite everybody to please like this video, share it, and also I'm inviting you to click the notification bell of this video so you will be posted and updated of all the videos, the upcoming videos that I'm going to upload. And likewise, I would appreciate if you will also subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and come on, join me in doing the Okay, now this is our specific example of computing the arithmetic mean for the grade. So our example here on the table, Ken's first quarter grade is shown in the table below. This is our table. So Ken's grade for the first quarter, this is his grades for the 5 subjects: English, Mathematics, Filipino, Science, PE, and Religion. So basically religion, so this is coming from a Catholic school, more or less. Okay, so this is Ken's grade. Now, let's compute the average of Ken's first quarter grade applying the arithmetic mean. So, arithmetic mean. So, basically our formula for arithmetic mean is we have X bar. Yes, of course, X bar is the notation used for mean. Actually, this is for sample mean. This is our notation, and then you have mu for population mean. So let's use the sample mean. Sample because this is just a sample of the data set. Now, the notation or actually the formula for arithmetic mean sample is the summation of x sub I over n. So you notice we have here the sigma notation, summation in statistics, and then we have our general variable x sub I, and of course our n. Just quickly, x sub I is representing, or this is the notation or the variable representing the objects or subject under investigation, and then our n is the sample size. So for this example, our n is 5. For there are 5 subjects from English down to religion. Actually, there are 6. Sorry, I don't know how to count anymore. 6. We have English, Math, Filipino, Science, PE, and Religion. So our n sample size is 6. Now our x sub 1, let it be Ken's grade in English, which is 90. Our x sub 2 is Ken's grade in Math, which is 87. X sub 3, our Ken's grade in Filipino, which is 88. And then X sub 4, that is Ken's grade in Science, which is 93. X sub 5 is Ken's grade in PE, which is 95. And then X sub 6, that is Ken's grade in Religion, which is 96. Now, how do we what's the interpretation of this formula? Meaning to say, the summation of all x's. So that is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus, of course, we can shortcut this notation as using ellipses, okay, the 3 dots, and plus x sub n divided by n. So, applying this formula now in Ken's problem, our x sub 1 equivalent to Ken's grade in English, which is 90, so we have 90 plus x sub 2, which is 87, plus x sub 3, which is 88, plus 93, plus 95, plus 96. Divided by 96, that is our x sub n. In this case, our n here is 6 because that's the last entry or the last data in the data set, and divided by 6. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So what we're going to do using our calculator, the Bansi calculator again, we will add Ken's grade in all 6 subjects. So we have 90 plus 87 plus 88 plus 93 plus 95 plus 96. That is then equals divided by 6 for the 6 subjects, that is 91. 91.5. So this is now Ken's average. So Ken's average for the first quarter using or applying the arithmetic method is 91.5. Now, you might be wondering, what's the effect if it's an arithmetic mean? Now, arithmetic is applied when, let's say for example, all these 6 subjects of Ken, they are all bearing 3 units subjects, so they will be treated equally for all subjects happens to have the same magnitude. So that's why we simply add all the grades of Ken in A and 6 subjects divided by 6, applying arithmetic mean, that's arithmetic mean, then we will get this as our average or Ken's average. That is applying arithmetic mean. So this quick explanation guys of how to apply arithmetic mean. So should you have any question about this video or you have some comments, then just leave comment in the comment section. So that's all for now. Please keep posted for the next video that I will be uploading. Thank you very much guys and keep safe.